or, you know, shit hits the fan and I'm having to hole up for a few days before I can actually start moving, I can use the stuff in here first and save my kit for when I'm actually on the move. And I can also use some of this to trade if I would have to, or whatever. So I keep one of these in my vehicle. And the other nice thing about it is, if the wife takes the truck or whatever and I'm not with her and she doesn't have the kit in the truck, we don't leave our kits in the truck or in the car. The regular backpack kits, they come back in the house when we come home. Then this will be in there just in case too. So, and she knows it's in there. And like I said, in here there's also extra ammo for our weapons. And so this one stays in the truck, and then there's one that's half about yay big that's in the car, in the trunk. There is one other thing that was left in, that we kept in these, but I just learned the brand that I got ain't gonna cut it. Hold on, let me grab it real quick. Almost forgot. Should have grabbed it before. One of the things that I did keep in here was some of these $100 candles. Problem: it's froze solid. Now, something that burns, and it doesn't say what it's made out of, but whatever it is, it froze. And it froze solid. I wonder if it's not that text on the bottom. I can't make it out where the damn now. It's etched in there. Whatever it is, though, it froze solid, rock solid. Which means this brand, at least, it's from Emergency Essentials. You wouldn't expect that, but this brand, at least, is not winterproof. Now I'll have to see how long it's going to take for that sucker to thaw out and if it even works after that. But I assumed, you know, they were a decent brand name, so I got some of these and threw them in there. And I can use them both as light, obviously, but I can also use them for cooking or the tin. That was the whole idea. And I've got that portable grill on the bottom of this that I showed you all that comes apart in pieces. That's down below. That's in that tube. For those that don't know what I was talking about, let me grab it. I can pull it out quick. Oh, I also keep extra bottles, empty bottles that I can put more fluid in or whatever. This one. Basically all the parts are inside, and you set it up and it's a grill for over the fire for cooking. There you go. And the reason this was open, where'd I put it? The reason this wasn't back out yet, because I forgot to put the water thing back in. So now it's back in there. Leave that out since it's obviously no good. Anyway, that's what I have for. Oh, and I keep water in here also, but I had to remove that, like I said, too. I've got new water coming, so I'll just replace it when I get the new box. But that's basically the crux of it. Like I said, I put a kit in my truck, I leave it in there. This sits in there year-round, and then I take it out twice a year, and I add, when it's winter, I add the extra winter gear. I take out the summer stuff, and then now I'm swapping out the winter and putting all the summer stuff in. And then this will just sit in the truck, and it'll stay there until next winter, and I'll swap it out again. Update everything, make sure the batteries are charged, you know, that type of thing. and it'll supplement whatever kit I happen to have with me if the shit would hit the fan while I'm on the road. So that's it for this video. If you got any questions, like I said, about the different packs and stuff, just let me know. All right. And again, for those that are new, we have a lot of new people. There's a search field at the top of the comments area, right below the main banner picture, and you just type in a single keyword like kit or backpack or shit hit the fan or bug out or batteries or whatever. Just a single word for what you're looking for, and it'll pull up everything for the last couple of years for that word. And there's lots of articles, lots of videos, so have at it. All right, that's it for now. Talk to you next time.